Mold forms as the result of a moisture problem, and it can begin to form in as little as 72 hours. So if you've had any type of water damage, or maybe even some type of water intrusion that you're not even aware of, perhaps in a basement or a crawl space, there's a possibility that mold could be present. Most of the time, mold is found by what we call a visual inspection, seeing the mold on drywall or some type of wood surface. But an odor or musty smell could also be a sign that mold may be present. We're an IICRC certified firm. So for mold remediations, we follow the S520. The S520 is the procedural standard for how to handle a mold remediation. It details what type of containment should be used and how that containment should be set up, how a damaged area should be cleaned, and how the contents of that damaged area should be cleaned. So if you discover mold in your home or business, give us a call and we can provide an inspection and a remediation plan in accordance with that standard so you know the job will be done the right way.